today I'm going to be unboxing part 2 of the spa kit. But I have no idea what box I should open. I have an idea. How about we do lip gloss? Because when you wake up, your lips get dry, even winter, and it keeps your lips healthy for summer. So my friend Celestine chose lip gloss. So let's get started to unbox it. So it came with one instruction guide, 2 powders. One is yellow and one is pink. Also 1 glitter packet, 1 lip gloss base, and 3 containers to put the lip gloss in. Okay guys, now that it's all unboxed, let's pick the container that we want to put in. I think I'm going to choose the unicorn one because I like unicorns a lot. Let's take off the lid. And now we're going to put the lip gloss base in halfway inside of the container. So I filled the lip gloss base halfway in the container. And now I'm going to be using the pink powder. Now that I put some of the pink powder, I'm going to put a little bit of the packet of glitter now. Now let's start mixing. So I mixed everything up with the glitter, the base, and the powder, but can't you see it's so glossy and glittery and pretty? But I also need to repeat them with these 2 containers. So it's the same consistency, and the yellow color of the lip gloss is done. And we're going to repeat that with the last container. So now that the base is all done and put in the last container, I'm going to use both powders, the yellow and the pink. This is so satisfying. It smells so good also. Oh, it turned an orange color. So now that all of these containers are filled with really glossy lip gloss, They look a little bit really slimy, so I'm going to put them in the fridge. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So I'll let you know how it goes on Celestine and me to test out. Bye!